Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use stock photos in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint the right way. If you've ever wanted to make your projects look more professional, engaging, or just visually appealing, then this guide is for you. And the best part, you don't need to download anything extra. It's all built right into Microsoft Office. Let's start with PowerPoint, since visuals play a huge role there. Open your PowerPoint presentation, and once it's ready, head up to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. Here, click on Pictures, and from the drop-down, select Stock Images. Now you'll see Microsoft's built-in library of high-quality, royalty-free images, including categories like nature, business, technology, and more. Browse through and find something that matches your presentation's tone or message. When you've found the perfect image, just click on it and hit Insert. It'll drop right into your slide, ready to resize, crop, or adjust however you like. This one simple step can completely transform an average slide into something that truly grabs attention. Next, let's talk about Word. Maybe you're designing a report, a brochure, or a school project. Visuals can make your document feel more polished and easier to read. The process is the same. Go to Insert, Pictures, Stock Images, then pick your image and insert it. You can use these photos to break up long paragraphs or to visually emphasize important sections of your text. A well-placed image can turn a plain page into something professional and impactful. Finally, let's move to Excel. Yes, even spreadsheets can benefit from visuals. If you're preparing a dashboard or a data report, you can use stock photos to add flair or context to your data. For example, a subtle background image behind a chart can make your data storytelling much more engaging. Again, go to Insert, Show Pictures, Stock Images, choose what fits your theme, and place it where you need it. By using Microsoft's stock photo library, you're not only enhancing your designs, but also saving time. No need to search the web for copyright-free images. These are all safe, professional, and ready to use. So, the next time you open Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, don't just settle for plain text or blank charts. Explore the built-in stock photo library and let visuals bring your ideas to life. With just a few clicks, you can transform your projects from simple to stunning. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick Office tutorials, and let me know in the comments which Office app you use the most. Until next time,